Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to prepare you very delicious black mulberry jam. So this is the mulberry, I'm sorry. We picked it, it's about 3 cups of mulberry it is. I measured it. So what we need, mulberry, 1 tablespoon of lemon, and we need 2 1/4 sugar. For each cup, we're going to use 3/4 cup of sugar. So we need 2 1/4 cup sugar. That's 1, that's 2 1/4. And now we're going to put 1/2 cup of water, and we're going to turn on the fire very low just to melt the sugar. And half of the time of its melting, we're going to put the berries and we're going to cook together. We're going to put it together and let it cook together. We're just going to be here and we're going to watch so we don't overcook. After it melts, then at the end we're going to put a little bit lemon. And I might put orange blossom water that I prepared it on my channel. Alright, now the jam has been cooking for about 35 to 40 minutes and I was always stirring. I was making like a medium-high heat. Now that it's almost done, it's pretty much reduced the water. Now over here I have a orange blossom water which I made it. It's homemade. It smells very good and it tastes good. So I'm just going to put about a couple tablespoons just to give very good taste and delicious smell. But at the same time now I'm going to cook for at least another maybe 2 minutes. And then we are done. We're going to put in a jar. What do we do with this? We'll mix it with water as a juice, and sometimes when we make a pie we put on it with other fruits like a glaze. We use this when we eat yogurt or any cupcake or dessert. We make cakes, whatever, we pour on it a little bit. So we're going to turn this off and we're going to pour in the jar, and I drip it over here a few times. I think this is like this. If you see it, I think it's good. If you want to be more concentrated, then you can cook a little bit more, but you make sure you stir it constantly. Now we're going to put this in a jar. I always like to preserve it, but I will guarantee it, never with my family, nothing lasts for a long time. They eat so fast. Before I do anything, they already finished it. I'm just going to put a little bit on a yogurt. I want to let you see how delicious color it gives. I hope you will try this. It's very good. If you have berry trees, do not waste them. I thank you very much, and don't forget, if you like it, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.